Monte.
Gorgeous.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit
the floor. And welcome to another episode of Alter Ego. This week we are upgrading the Cafe Racer with a new swing arm. That's right. This bad boy wants to fit a GROM wheel with the big old fat mobbers, and that's not possible on a Razor unless you make a custom arm. So we've teamed it up with a QS165, some really fat 420 chain. We're gonna make it happen.
I don't like this. Real.
Just pop a pin. Alright, that's going to be your new chain, Tim. Your new chain, buddy.
I don't like this.
So now we're already at pretty close to tight. Left you a little bit of gap in case. You're going to have a ridiculous amount of tire gap. That's what we want. Should be good to go after that.
I'm going to run these welds down.
Yeah. See that line? And then there's another one right there.
There it comes to there.
Yep.
Right in the center of that.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Oh yeah, that totally clears. I mean, you're touching the frame.
That's where it's supposed to end.
Beautiful. Okay. I like. Oh yeah, that's so much nicer. Those are our axle sliders, and these will be our end caps.
I keep them laced up, ain't nobody looking sloppy, and no I didn't buy
got them from my mommy.
Genuine ostrich, genuine ostrich, genuine ostrich.
I love the sliding brake mount. I think that thing looks like a little piece of work. I think this is going to be a beautiful setup. I think it's going to last a very long time. And it doesn't weigh that much, honestly. Honestly, I feel like that either weighs the same amount as that or maybe a little bit less. And I've got massive metal tabs. I've even got massive thick plates. I mean, look how thick this bad boy is. We're not playing around with these mounts. Look, see if I can, there it is. Look how thick that is. That is not child's play. This is not for little tiny weak things. This is serious, serious metal. And it doesn't weigh that much. I'm going to guess at about 11 pounds. I'm going to guess that's probably 11 pounds too. It's solid aluminum. The only difference is this one's about 2.5 inches longer. Well, it's been a heck of a adventure making swing arm number 112. But I am very grateful. We can make 2 or 3 more of these right now. We already have the cuts ready to start. So if you want, we can do it. GROM wheels are a bit of a pain in the butt because they require a lot of items. And if you're willing to do it, I'm willing to do it too. Customers decided that we're just going to go ahead and wire wheel it, clean it up, and clear coat it. I love the way it looks, don't you guys? I love that. Anyways, I'm tired. I'm going to go take a nap. Night, everybody.
You two are hungry.
It's a big day. We're gonna kill God. Come again?